So Umaki, the shopper queen, has received the message loud and clear and has finally responded. So recently, 3 days ago to be exact, popular South African YouTuber Owami sent out a warning to popular Facebook content creator Umaki, the shopper queen, through one of her YouTube channels called Owami Entertainment. So in this video, Owami was highlighting the dangers that Umaki is putting herself and her family in by constantly sharing her monthly earnings that she makes by being a content creator. Now, Umaki has previously stated that she posts her earnings to motivate other content creators. Now, in Owami's videos, she shared a few reasons as to how Umaki was risking her family, in which a few of those reasons were that the high unemployment rate in South Africa could lead to her and her children getting kidnapped. She stated that her kids' schools and her residential address can easily be located, as she shot most of her content outside her house, exposing her home, and that her not hiding her car's number plate could also contribute to easily finding and tracing her.
Kunjani makunje ngathi January asiqale ni gym sitokhona ukuthi imidimba yethu ibe yihle nathi kunjani makunje kunjani Bobby goals yabona libruka alehle igqole mfika kunjani makunje bona look at the muscle hayibo ayiphane guys.
So many people understood and supported Owami's view, with many sharing that particular video. Umaki herself seems to have finally received the message, as she has sent out a post reading, "Thank you for caring. I'll never share my earnings anymore. Sekuvagele. Let's move on." So in your view, was this good looking out among sisters and among content creators? Or has Owami's video now put Umaki, the shopper queen, under more danger? So all in all, I'm 100% in agreement with Owami's view. My question is just the way that she chose to send it out. Was that the right way though? Now, since having posted her response 10 hours ago, Umaki has continued to entertain her 1.8 million Facebook followers. This digital content creator also has 1.2 million followers on TikTok. With her Facebook monthly views almost reaching 500 million views, Umaki is indeed a content creator that is mastering the game, and yet she's humble enough to take advice from others. A content creator that comes from very humble beginnings, but is now a star and shining in her field. May she continue to grow, to entertain us, and to bless us with more of what she does. So may our Mswati shopper queen go from our South African streets to the world. And congratulations once again to our Owami for the heads up that you gave our sister and for pointing her in the right direction.